Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the Chat GPT mobile app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. ChatGPT is an AI-powered conversational app developed by OpenAI. It's designed to assist users with everyday tasks such as writing, research, coding help, idea generation, and general conversation. The app runs on advanced language models that can generate human-like responses in real time. Available on both iOS and Android, it syncs with the web version and offers users a convenient way to access AI assistance on the go. In practice, many users appreciate ChatGPT's versatility. It can help draft emails, summarize documents, explain complex concepts, and even tutor in academic subjects. The app also includes voice input, which allows for hands-free conversations. Integration with your OpenAI account makes switching between desktop and mobile seamless, and saved chat history ensures your work isn't lost. On the positive side, ChatGPT's interface is clean and easy to navigate. The app supports multiple languages, making it useful globally. Real-time AI responses are quick, and the free tier gives most users enough access for everyday use. For those who subscribe to ChatGPT Plus, the app unlocks faster performance and access to newer models, which many find valuable for professional or heavy use. However, there are some limitations. While the app is powerful, it doesn't always produce perfectly accurate information and may require fact-checking. Some users feel that offline functionality is limited, and advanced features like file uploads are restricted compared to the desktop version. The free plan can also feel slow during peak hours, which may push users toward the subscription. In summary, the ChatGPT app is worth using if you're looking for a reliable AI assistant for daily tasks, quick research, and creative projects. It's less ideal if you expect perfect accuracy or advanced desktop-level features in a mobile format. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.